Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and today we're going to fix Shadow Fight 2 not working or Shadow Fight 2 not opening. So if you find it difficult to open Shadow Fight 2, or if Shadow Fight 2 is not working well for you, this is what you have to do. First thing, you have to go to your phone menu. When you get to your phone menu, you have to search for Play Store. So when you see your Play Store app, what you have to do is to just tap on it. So the Play Store is around this place. So as you can see over here, guys, you have to watch. Let's try to tap on this. So guys, those who don't know Play Store, this is Play Store, so we have to tap on this one. So just tap on it like this. So when you tap on it, wait for it to load over here. So when it's load, what you have to do next is to go to this section. You get me? Yeah, go to this section. So when you get to that section, just tap on it and search for Shadow Fight 2. So when you type in Shadow Fight 2, then you tap over here to search. So when you reach over here, what you have to do next is you have to tap over here. So just tap on this. This is the Shadow Fight 2 app. So tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have to update it by clicking over here on your phone. When you see update, when you see this, do you get me? When you see this, you have to click on it. But when you see this, you don't have to click on it. When you see this, the play section, you don't have to click on it. So click on the play section. When the play section is updated, just click on it to update it. So after updating it, what you have to do next is for you to go to your phone menu again, then you search for settings. So just try to look for settings, and there's my settings. This app, you have to click on it. So when you click on the settings, what you have to do next is to click on the apps and notifications. By other phones, it is apps. Do you get me? And other phones too, it is apps and notifications. Do you get me? Yeah. So when you tap on the app and notification, what you have to do is just tap on see all apps to see all your apps. So when you tap on the see all apps, wait for it to load. When it's load, you have to search for your Shadow Fight 2. So let's search for the Shadow Fight 2 app. So when you think it's very difficult for you to find the Shadow Fight 2 app on your phone, what you have to do is to tap over here and just type in Shadow Fight 2. So when you type in Shadow Fight 2, you are going to see it. So click on it, which is the first one. So when you click on the Shadow Fight 2, what you have to do next is, please listen to this section because it's very important. What you have to do is to click on the storage and cache. So when you click on storage and cache, what you have to do is to click on the clear cache. So click on the clear cache to clear cache. Do you get me? And also you have to click on the clear storage to clear all storage. So click on the clear storage. So it's going to delete all your app data. Do you get me? The files and settings and everything in the account. Do you get me? The databases and etc. Do you get me? So click on OK. After doing this, just go back. So when you go back, what you have to do is to click on the force stop. So when you click on the force stop, just click on OK. So after doing this, you are done. Do you get me? So next, you have to what? Restart your phone. Turn your phone off and turn it on again. Restart it. Turn it on, turn it off, and then return it on. After that, when you turn it on again, or after restarting your mobile phone, so after restarting your phone, everything is going to work successfully. When you open the app, it's going to open. So that's it. So guys, this is how to fix Shadow Fight 2 problem. or Shadow Fight 2 is not working, or Shadow Fight 2 not opening. This is how to fix it. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks. Bye bye.